Hi everyone, I'm Sion, the current chair of Yes Cymru, and I'd like to thank you for your support over the last year. We've seen our membership grow from just over 2,000 in February 2020, over 18,000 today. That's a huge change. Yes Cymru now, because of your support, is one of the biggest political movements in Wales, and politicians, whichever party, can't ignore us, and they're not ignoring us. So that's thanks to you for taking the time to support Yes Cymru, and money also to give us the tools to make even greater work we want to do in the next year. So I'd like to thank you for that. There's so much we can achieve together. On social media, we're now becoming one of the most important influencers in Wales. We've seen over the year the growth in people following us on social media, on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram. This is a great way of reaching new people. So thanks for sharing our message and getting the message out. But we don't only want to be on social media. With COVID, it's been difficult, but we have great plans for the next 12 months. And I'd like to share some of them with you. We'd like to be going on the road in August, going to communities and towns and villages across Wales with a message of independence and the message of Yes Cymru. Keep in touch and see how that develops. And if you're living in those areas, give us a hand, come over and talk to us, and also share the good message we have to give. We're also looking to produce again the fantastic Yes Cymru newspaper you helped distribute a few months ago. We managed to distribute from door to door 400,000 copies of the Yes Cymru newspaper. That's reaching 1 million people in Wales. That's a third of the Welsh population, down to you as Yes Cymru supporters and members. So thanks for that. We're going to do it again, and hopefully bigger and better again, so we reach even more people with a message of independence, because we're convinced more and more people over the next few months and the next year will see that independence is the answer for Wales. With a growth in membership of over 18,000 members, we've got more responsibility. So we've had to change the organisation. We can no longer just depend on a few individuals giving their spare time. So we employed 2 officers. One is a diversity and inclusion officer to make sure we try and represent Wales as it is, and the other is a campaigns manager to get the work out to people, because we can't rely just on individuals anymore. Within Yes Cymru centrally as well, we've created 3 subcommittees to try and make the work better. So campaigns working group, a communications working group, and a complaints working group. Yes, because we know people do have complaints and worries about Yes Cymru, and we want to make sure we can answer those complaints and worries as well. So each committee member from the central committee is required to sit on one of these committees to make sure that they work hard and responsible and reactive to the work which we have to develop. So this is all done to make Yes Cymru a better organisation for you, and a better organisation to represent not only the Wales today, but we can build a Wales for tomorrow. So this is a short video. There's more work going on. Keep in touch with us. Keep sharing our vision of an independent Wales. And over the next 12 months, who knows what we can achieve together as Yes Cymru for an independent Wales. Thanks for your time in the past, but we look forward to your support in the future.